Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhodes and we're cooking with Carolina Cooker. Today we're going to be doing venison meatloaf, and today we're using the enamel casserole pan. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off by adding our ground venison. We're going to go ahead and take a little bit of oil and we're just going to put it right here in the enamel pan. We're going to go ahead and add our onions. We got a little sweet Southern Belle barbecue sauce, breadcrumbs, eggs, a little garlic. Got mustard, spicy brown mustard to be exact. Mayonnaise, just gives it a little bit more moisture to it. And we got some parsley. And then we're gonna hit it with a little salt and pepper. And then once you get all your ingredients in the bowl, you're gonna wanna just go in, get all dirty, mix it all up, make it incorporated as well as you can. Now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take the meat here and just kind of loaf it up, make a little bit of a shape, just like that, and then you can kind of finish it off here in the casserole dish. And then once you get that all set, so that's what it should look like, and then you're gonna wanna cover it with some aluminum foil, put it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees, and let it bake for about 30 minutes. After the 30-minute mark, you're gonna wanna pull that aluminum foil off and let it cook for another probably 10 to 15 minutes to get a nice crust on top. We've got some real nice color on top there. It just looks fantastic, smells great. We're just gonna doctor it up a little bit. We're gonna give a little extra sauce on top here. We're using the sweet Southern Belle sauce as we put into the actual meatloaf itself, just for a little bit of more color on it. There you go, guys, venison meatloaf. Being able to prepare fresh, clean meals for your family always makes the harvest a trip.